Good morning, children. I hope you are all fine. Yes? Are you enjoying the online classes? Yes, very good. Children, all of you take your social science book in your hand. Everybody take the social book. Page number 124. Already we finished the lessons. Yes? Today we are going to remaining question answer and book activities. Okay? So tick the correct answer. Which of this is a dirty snowball? Which children? Answer is comment. The sun is a star. The sun is a star. So answer is B. A light year is a unit of light or distance or speed or time. Which one it will come, children? Distance. Which will come? Distance. The earth completes its revolutions around the sun in 365 1/4 days. Did you finish, children? Now write. Fifth one. The moon completes its revolution around the earth in 27.3. Right. Tick that one correct answer, all of you. Now filling the blanks. The dash theory explains the formation of the universe. First answer is the Big Bang. Dash is a famous command. Halio command. Third is the sun is dash away from the earth. 15 millions. Nearly dash of the earth is covered with water. Two things. Nearly earth is covered with water. That answer will come two things. What will come? Two things. So water is very important to us. Yes? Is there no, children? Yes. Now, fifth question. Fifth. Fill in the blanks. Fifth, our solar system is located in the dash galaxy. Which one that is? Milky Way. What is that? Milky Way. Did you finish, children? You take the classwork note. Remaining question we are not written. So today we are going to write the remaining question answer. See third one, distinguish between. In your book, see in your book, distinguish between planet and star. What is the difference between the planet and star? Planets are heavenly bodies moving around the star, but stars are luminous heavenly bodies having their own heat and light. For example, sun. Okay, I give the time for you. Write it, children. Put the line, okay, and write. How I gave in the slide, you see and write, okay. Put up one line, middle one line, okay. Then you write the topic, put that one line. Inside the line, you write planet and the side star, okay. Write neatly, okay. Second question. Distinguish between inner planet and outer planet. The inner planet also called what? Terrestrial planets. This is a gaseous planet. This inner planet, which are the planets are there? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planet. In the outer planets, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Third one, the inner planets are rocky. The outer planets are made of gas. It's a gas, yes. So we called gaseous planets, yes. Okay, I give the time for you. Write it, children. All right, third question. Okay, children. I hope you are all finished with the classwork. Now, all of you take your homework. Take your homework page. Previous time I gave the video to you, yes? That fill in the blanks. I gave the fill in the blanks in the previous classes. Now, I'm giving this answer for them. I'm giving the answer for you, okay? Check your answer. First answer, first question, millions of stars form a dash. What will come, children? Galaxy. Already you said, I check your homework also, yes? Okay, very good. My children are very good. All are studying reading the book and studying the classwork also, yes? Very good. My children are very, very good, yes? Okay. Carry on. In the second question, the solar system is the dash family. Which family? Sun family. Third one, stars are born in nebula. If you make any mistakes, check your answer. Fourth one, the sun is just one of the middle age members of the star family. The dash is a nearest planet to the sun. Which is the nearest planet, children? That is Mercury. Okay? Now, I am giving the homework to you. Correct it the homework. Rearrange the letters to find the right answer. See in your book, page number 121. Take your book, turn the page 121. Here given some questions, yes? The hottest planet. It's a jumble letter. Its given answer is a jumble letter. So you can do it, yes? You write this answer nearly. Put the dash and write, okay? The densest planet, what is that? You think and write. Here the answer is given, but it's in the jumble letter, okay? So rearrange the letters to find the right answer. The planet closest to the sun. The largest planet. Fifth one is the red planet. Yes? Children, once again I am reminding this chapter to you. The Earth and the solar system. We saw the topics of universe. In the universe, what is the universe? It comes from Latin, yes? So in this universe, the millions of stars are there. It's form a galaxy. So several thousand galaxy forms a clusters, I said, yes? So we learn about that, and we studied about the Milky Way galaxy and Big Bang theory, the solar system. The solar system is one of the sun family, yes? It's one of the sun family because the sun is at center, the 8 planets is revolve around it. Okay, sun is one of the star only. It is a star only. It is spherical in shape and is luminous body, yes? Okay. Then we studied about the stars. If the sun is a star, then why does it look different from other star? Yes? You make one questions that come to your mind, yes? Then you can ask with me, why do stars twinkle at night? Yes? If the star is a star, why does not it appear in the morning? You can ask so many questions. Yes, I gave the explain in that day. Yes or no? Yes. So the brightest star in the sky, what is that? It's in the pole star or the north star. It is called the north star, we said, yes? So group of stars is called what? Constellations. This constellation are formed by the imaginary lines to form different shapes. Yes, children? And we saw about the planets. Planet is a heavenly body that moves around a star. We studied about the eight planets, yes? What is that? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I said one short form, MEMJSUN. Yes? The 9th planet is that is Pluto. That is 2006, the International Astronomical Union. That is not a planet, that is a dwarf planet. Then we studied characters of planet. In that one we learn about the earth. The earth is a unique planet. Satellites. And we studied about the moon, yes? Moon is one of the natural satellite of the earth. How much take times to revolution around the earth, children? Can you answer me? Can you answer me, children? 27.3 days, yes? 27.3 days. Its average distance how much from the earth? Just I am reminding what we have studied in the 2 classes, okay? Three lakhs 84,000. Yeah, very good. The moon has an atmosphere? No. The moon has no atmosphere. It does have any own light? No. It don't have a moonlight. Why, children? Can you answer me? Silva Kishore, open your mouth and say. Why moon don't have any light, own light? Why moon does not have a own light? Moon does not have its own light because we can able to see, yes, that light is coming from it gets light from the sun. Very good. Phases of the moon, yes, we saw about the phases of the moon. Why it's becoming smaller, then there is no moon, then it's coming moon, yes. There's a shape of the moon we saw, yes. Why? The moon does not have a light of own because that light of the sun reflects from the sun, it's falling on it in the moon. So, moon is smaller than the sun. So, the both of them appear to be the same size because the moon is closer to us than the sun. So different shape of moons is visible from the earth are called it phases. Okay, now you can understand, yes? And we studied asteroids. What is asteroids? I said Sirikolgal, yes? Meteoroids, that is Bingal. Command, that is one of the snowball. That is made of ice and dust. Yes? Is or no? Yeah, it is spotted near the earth in 1986. When it will be written, children? In 2062. 62. Okay, children, I hope you are understand these classes. Yes? I explain you again and again this chapter to you. Because the 2 chapters we take one classes little bit, yes? So, third I remind you, you can keep in your memory. Okay? In few days we will keep the test for you. So, keep it in your memory. Okay, children? We can ask one-word questions like from the book, inside the books. Okay, I will ask from the book only. Okay, inside the book. So you read the books every day. When I take the classes, you read the book and answer to me. I am asking some fill in the blanks. Yes, inside the book. So you read the book. Okay, children. Okay, have you completed whatever I taught you, the lessons? Did you complete your classwork, book activity, homework? Did you finish, children? See, if you are not completed, please complete the classwork, homework and book activities. Okay, children? I hope my children are very good. They will do all the things in that day itself. Yes or no, children? Say. Alston, open your mouth and say, boy. Yeah, very good. You have to finish all the day, whatever we are giving the instructions, okay? You have to study it on the day itself. What are the instruction give? to you, you have to follow it, right? So don't never ever skip the video. Okay, you have to listen the video from beginning to last. It is very, very important to watch the video. Okay, children? We have studied more things, yes? Okay, well, carry on. See, don't roam here and there. In this is hot time, so don't roam here and there. Sit in a house. Always keep your hand clean. Maintain the social distance from the others, okay? We want to protect from the coronavirus, yes? So, eat healthy foods. Drink water. Whatever the mother is saying or father, your parents are saying to you, you want to obey the parent. Okay, children? I know my children are very good. Yes? You will obey your parents, yes? Daily you eat one fruit, at least one fruit, okay? Don't eat any junk foods, okay? Okay, children? Yeah, very good. Okay, children? Now, carry on your next subjects. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Thanks for your listening my class. Thank you, children.